Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about my desired upcoming updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you. So guys, starting from Arjun gets late to expose Adi. Pandit ji asks daddy to do their Ghatbandhan. Daddy ties the Ghatbandhan and prays for their happiness, blessing them. Mahima and Romila smiles. Mahima says finally Kashvi is marrying. Arjun can't go back to Kashvi. Romila says this is what we wanted, the drama is over. Adi and Kashvi start taking the rounds. Arjun is driving the car. Nisha asks whom my husband is marrying. Arjun says he is marrying the girl named Kashvi who feels that he is truthful guy and loves her a lot. Nisha says he acts good and traps people. She says even I used to think like this, and showed his true colors after marriage and now he will do the same. Arjun says no, I will expose him and will call police. He says I have to reach soon. Mahima says I can't believe that Arjun didn't come to create hurdles. Romila asks her to talk good. Pandit ji asks Kashvi to come to the front and take the remaining rounds. Daddy thinks everything will be fine and Arjun will be out from his life. Arjun is stuck in the traffic. He tells that the marriage Muhurat is of 5 p.m. and now it is 5:10 p.m. Nisha says that girl's life shall not ruin. Kashvi and Adi are taking the rounds. Daddy thinks Kashvi is taking the 7th round and thanks Mata Rani. They complete the 7th round. Nisha tells that they are late, then rounds must have completed. Arjun says God will not do wrong and says let's go inside. Pandit ji asks Adi to make Kashvi wear the Mangalsutra. Makes Kashvi wear the Mangalsutra. Mahima is happy. Kashvi gets teary eyes recalling her marriage with Arjun. Pandit ji asks Adi to fill her mang with sindoor. Adi fills her mang with sindoor. Sushma looks on upset. Pandit ji says congrats, this marriage is completed. Everyone claps. Kashvi gets teary eyes. Arjun comes there and shouts saying this marriage can't happen. She starts breaking the things, everyone gets shocked seeing him. Adi and Kashvi get up from the mandap. Adi says you will not mend your ways. Kashvi told clearly not to come for our marriage, but you came and asks what is the use of this drama, as you are already late. As Kashu and I are finally married and our love has won. Kashvi nods her head. He asks how you enjoy to create new dramas always. Daddy asks Arjun not to do drama. Arjun says he came to tell the truth. Jagdish asks them to stop the drama and come home. Arjun says he doesn't care and says he will not let Kashvi marry this guy, and says I don't regard this marriage and is not valid. Sushma says you was her ex-husband and trying to ruin her marriage day, and is keeping eye on her, though you are married to her sister. She says you have stooped low. Arjun says I have proofs to show that your son is already married, betrayal and a liar. He tells Kashvi that he wanted her to meet his wife and son, but today he reached them and brought them here with him. He asks Nisha to come. Nisha comes there with Vansh shocking everyone. Kashvi asks Arjun what is this nonsense, why you are lying so big to break my marriage. She says I don't believe you or your talks, and says I know Adi since 5 years, he is really good and truthful person and can't hurt anyone. She asks who is she? She says you brought fake wife and fake son, and asks why you are doing this, how can you do such a cheap thing on my marriage day? Arjun tells that Adi is a cheap guy and is playing with many lives. He says this is Aditya's wife Nisha, and his son Vansh. He says I took you to Kishangarh to make you meet them. He says today I went to the same bungalow, and the watchman was changed and he told that the bungalow is of NRI house and it is locked since 6 months. He says then I realized that it is Adi's way of working, he locks Nisha and Vansh in such houses who are vacant. He tells that he didn't listen to watchman and went inside the house, and found Nisha tied and Vansh unconscious. He says if you think this marriage valid, and asks if you want to live your life with such a person. He asks her to come with him. Kashvi tells Arjun that he was proved wrong twice. She asks Nisha if Arjun is giving her money. Nisha says I am supporting Arjun, as he is truthful and says I am not an actress to do fake acting. She says the person you got married to just now, is actually my husband. She says he will do the same thing with me which he has done with me. She falls down. Kashvi and Daddy hold her. Kashvi says someone call the doctor. They take her to the room. Karun asks Vansh not to worry, and says Dad and Kashvi auntie will not let anything happen to his mama. Doctor checks Nisha and says she fell unconscious, as she didn't have food since a long time. Vansh gets worried. Mahima tells Romila that Arjun came and brought Adi's wife with him. Romila says, I can't believe that Adi is a devil in monk's avatar. Mahima asks her to stop her lecture and think about her. Romila says Arjun is yours, as Kashvi is married. Mahima says as Adi is already married, his marriage with Kashvi is illegal. Doctor prescribes the medicines, goes to drop her. Arjun asks Mickey to take Vansh out. Mickey takes Vansh out. Nisha gains consciousness and asks, how did I come here? Arjun says you had fainted, but now you are fine as doctor gave injection. Nisha says sorry to Kashvi and says, I am sorry that Aman's truth came in front of you like this, and says he is a devil. She says he met me during my bad times, and I got trapped in his sweet talks. She regrets to meet him. So guys, that's what you will be expecting from my Desire upcoming updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.